Hey guys, it's Cece here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a macrame coat hanger. I'm going to show you the square knot version and also the spiral knot version. So let's get straight into it. So for this project you're going to need a coat hanger, and I've just got a plain wire coat hanger here today. You can use something thin like this or also a thicker one like this. You'll also need about 9 meters of any kind of yarn that you want to use for the project. Today I'm using a t-shirt yarn and I've got that pre-cut here ready to use. What you'll also need is a hot glue gun and a pair of scissors. So for this project you need to know the square knot and the spiral knot. So if you don't know how to make these knots already, make sure you check out my YouTube tutorials that I have online. The link will be in the description below. So let's get started. Take your cord, the 9 meter length of cord that you've already cut, and we're going to find the center point of the cord. So I like to get the two ends and put them together and fold the string in half. A lot of string that we're using. So you have the middle point like this. Now take your coat hanger and get the hook bit of the coat hanger, and you want to place the middle of the cord right on top of that hook there, like so. Now to make starting your project a little bit easier, the best thing to do is grab your hot glue gun and just put a little dollop of hot glue right in the center point, and then place the coat hanger onto that hot glue just to secure the string in place. Now what we're going to do is create square knots all the way around the coat hanger until we get back to the start. I'll show you how to do that now. So what we're going to do is create a square knot around the wire like so, and pull tight. And continue to create square knots like so around the wire coat hanger until you cover all of the wire on the coat hanger. Now to make this process a little bit easier, I'm just going to create a little bundle of string with the end of the string here, like so. Just tie that. That way my strings won't get too tangled, and it will be easier to pull the very long string through the square knot as I'm knotting. So now we have the finished coat hanger. Well, it's nearly finished. What we have to do is just complete the knotting here. So I've gotten to the part of the coat hanger where it comes back together, and I'm just going to take the remaining cord here and tie a square knot around both sides. So we'll go like this. Pull that tight. Other side. I like to do 2 or 3 square knots just to cover that last little bit, like so. Now to finish the piece, all you need to do is simply cut your ends. I just cut them pretty short. And then take your hot glue gun, pop a little bit of glue just there, and then stick one side down, and then pop another bit of glue there, and pull pull this one round and stick that one down like so. And there you have your finished coat hanger. Now another option is to create your coat hanger with a spiral knot instead of a square knot, and it's not much different in the process. So we're just going to find our center part again of the string, and I'm going to dot a little bit of hot glue just there and place my coat hanger like so. Now, instead of creating a square knot around here, I'm going to do a spiral knot, which is just using the same side over and over again, rather than alternating between the left cord and the right cord. So, I am going to always use the left, take that over and pull through. And then again using the left cord, knotting around the coat hanger and pulling through. And continue in that fashion, working with the cord on the same side until you have covered all of the wire in the coat hanger. Now please don't try to do this project on a flat surface like a table. It is way easier if you put the coat hanger in between your legs like this and then keep knotting in this way. So here's our finished spiral knot coat hanger. Isn't it cute? I love it. I think it's my favorite over the square knot one. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know which one you prefer. And if you can't decide what your favorite is, well, maybe you'll just have to make both. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe so you see all of my tutorials as I post them. And here's to finding our peace and creativity.